Rearranging formulas. So these are the examples we're going to do. Let's start with the number 1. So we write the right hand side on the left, so it's u plus at is equal to v. Then we subtract u from both sides, we get at is equal to v minus u. Now we divide both sides by t, so we get a is equal to v minus u divided by t. So here we have u squared plus 2as equal to v squared. Subtract u squared from both sides, so we get 2as equal to v squared minus u squared. Now divide both sides by 2s, so we get a is equal to v squared minus u squared divided by 2s. Number 3, so we have half m v squared equal to e. First we times both sides by 2, so we have m v squared is equal to 2e. Now we divide both sides by v squared, so we get m is equal to 2e divided by v squared. Number 4, first we write the right hand side and the left hand side, so 2 in bracket x plus y is equal to p. Now we remove the bracket, so we have 2x plus 2y equal to p. Now we get rid of this 2x from the left hand side, so minus 2x both sides. We get 2y is equal to p minus 2x. Now we divide both sides by 2, we get y is equal to p minus 2x all divided by 2. Number 5, so we write the right hand side on the left first, 2gh square root equal to v. First we can take the square both sides, so we have 2gh is equal to v squared. Then we divide both sides by 2g, so we get h is equal to v squared divided by 2g. So first we multiply both sides by 2 plus 3x. So we have 2 plus 3x times y, and on the right hand side we're just left with 1 minus 2x. So we remove the bracket, we get 2y plus 3xy equal to 1 minus 2x. Now we bring minus 2x to the left hand side and take this term to the other side. So we have 3xy plus 2x is equal to 1 minus 2y. Now x is a common factor on the left hand side, so we have a 3y plus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2y. Now we can divide both sides by 3y plus 2. So we get x on the left hand side, 1 minus 2y divided by 3y plus 2. Number 7. First we square both sides. So we get P is equal to K minus 1 divided by K plus 1. And multiply both sides by K plus 1. So K plus 1 times P equal to K minus 1. So this is P squared. Remove the bracket, we get Kp squared plus P squared equal to K minus 1. So we bring K to the left and take P squared to the other side. So we have K P squared minus K equal to minus 1 minus P squared. K is a common factor. Now we're going to divide both sides by P squared minus 1. So we have K equal to minus 1 minus P squared on the top, P squared minus 1 on the bottom. Number 8, we write half G T squared equal to S. Multiply both sides by 2, we get G T squared equal to 2S. Divide both sides by G, we get T squared is equal to 2S divided by G. Now take the square root, we get T is equal to 2S on the top divided by G. And some situations you have to put plus or minus. But in this one, because T might be time, we can't have a negative time. So we can just ignore the minus sign. Now try this exercise yourself. When you've done it, then check the answers. Number 1, T equal to V minus U divided by A. Number 2, S would be equal to V squared minus U squared divided by 2A. V is equal to 2E on the top, M on the bottom, and you take the square root. Here we remove the bracket first, so it's P equal to 2x minus 2y. Then we have 2x equal to P plus 2y. Therefore x is equal to P plus 2y, all divided by 2. So number 5, first we square both sides. Now we multiply both sides by 1 minus x. Remove the bracket. Now this y squared go to the other side, and we bring the x to the left. So we have minus xy squared equal to 1 minus y squared. Then we have x as a common factor, so minus 1 minus y squared is equal to 1 minus y squared. So therefore x is equal to 1 minus y squared, or divided by minus 1 minus y squared. Or we can multiply top and bottom by minus, we get y squared minus 1 divided by y squared plus 1.